Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset your PlayStation 5. This is going to be a nice quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you need to do is of course have your PlayStation on, and you're going to need to have your controller connected. We're going to need to come to our dashboard like you see I'm on at the moment. We're going to be clicking one up to go to our top bar menu here. I'm on games at the moment, and we're going to be clicking to the right 3 times until we see the settings option here on the top right. Once we're on top of this, we're going to be clicking the A button to select it, and we're going to be brought to our settings for our console. Once this opens up on this screen, what we're going to be doing is coming down here until we see the system tab. We're going to be selecting this, and here we'll get some more information and settings for our system of our PlayStation 5. Once this opens up, we're going to be coming to the first tab here on the top left, which is the system software. We're going to be clicking to the right, and we're going to be going down to the very bottom of this menu to the reset options. If we click X to select this again, we will then have 3 options: clear learning directory, restore default settings, and reset your console. So from this point, if you would like to just restore the default settings, you can do it. Otherwise, what we're going to be doing is resetting our full console. We're going to be clicking X on this pop-up, and it's going to mention here on this screen all users and all data will be removed, and that's exactly what we want. It'll also mention all console sharing and offline play will be disabled for all users on this PS5, so it's basically going to reset everything. You can then choose to cancel and back up anything from this point, and I will mention anything on your console that you would like to keep. Make sure to keep a backup of it now. Anything after this point will be removed. From this point, we can simply go to the right and we have the reset button. We'll then click X one more time, and then Sony will give us one final warning. If you reset your PS5, all users and all data will be deleted. Are you sure you want to continue? After you select yes, your PS5 will automatically restart and will be set to our factory reset settings. So again, just to make sure you have everything backed up, you can feel free to click no here and create any backups you need. Otherwise, we're going to be clicking to the right. We're going to be hovering over the yes button. We're going to be clicking X one more time, and then your PlayStation is now going to go into a factory reset state. It's going to take a couple seconds, and then it will reboot as if it was a brand new console. Now from this point, my capture card is going to say no signal, because when a PlayStation is brand new, it has HDCP enabled, which means I can't actually capture any content with it. But now it's going to be factory reset as a brand new PlayStation, and you can set it up as a brand new PlayStation. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to factory reset your PlayStation 5. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you find these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.